MarineMax Gulf Shores. This is CJ Jenkins. Today we bring you a Grady-White 307 Freedom. You join me here in the bow. We've got plenty of room up front here. Up front, we love it. There's plenty of room to stretch out here. Great grab handle. You're taking on those waves. Really deep here, so you're going to feel very comfortable. Even letting your little ones ride up front. Got a fish box over on this side. You can also get the insert and turn this into a full sun pad, as well as get a table, which is in the helm area, lift up, and we can do some cocktails up front. Cup holders up front, speakers. Got your windlass, along with the foot pedals here. Snaps, so we can get the mooring on the boat, keep it nice and clean for you on those days when you're not using the vessel. You can also block this off, keep that wind from coming inside on you on those chilly mornings. Tons of storage here. This is lighted. The swim ladder is going to be inside, along with that cocktail table that I mentioned. Got tackle drawer here, ready for those big fishing days. Here on the port side, this turns into a berth area. You can take these cushions out. It does have the porcelain head, along with the sink and tons of storage. There's also rod storage there. This is lockable. This also has your shore power cord there, and that nice mirror so you can see your beautiful face when you're leaving the head. Over at the helm area, got plenty of real estate here for being able to put your GPS of choice. The joystick now is going to be standard on this vessel, along with the autopilot, trim tabs, adjustable steering, remote. The main radio head is going to be over on that side. The helm seat does slide forward and aft, and also has a double split for two persons to sit up here. As we make our way to the back, got storage or a little cocktail area. You can set up drinks, foods. You can also put ice in there and different drinks and stuff. Guys, here in the cockpit area, we've got double chaise lounges. These do power out. So again, a really big time for entertaining. Got your transom seating here. Bilge area is going to be on the floor. Also got tow railing over on the side here. So if we do choose to go out fishing, we've got a little bit of leverage where we can leverage ourselves against that fighting fish. Fish box, 5 well. Also got a transom shower. Alright. Got the door. This does swing in, locks into place. You've got a dive ladder that drops over the side. So if you're a big time diver, or if you've been out for a day of swimming, snorkeling, what have you, easy access back onto the boat. Right here off the transom of the boat, we've got the twin Yamahas. It's going to be very fuel efficient. These are power steering. And part of the joystick system, you can walk this boat to the side, back and forth. If you're not familiar with the Helm Master, please look that up on the Yamaha website. Again, thank you very much for joining me. This is CJ Jenkins at MarineMax Gulf Shores.